want to tell you about a client who made some small changes in his health habits and reaped big rewards. Welcome, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. This is National Employee Health and Wellness Month, and I wanted to tell you a story about a solopreneur who made a couple of changes and saw some big impact on his bottom line. One was that at night, instead of scrolling and reading and getting caught up in videos, as much as I like videos, at 1 o'clock in the morning, you need to be shutting them down and going to sleep. So he was able to calculate, if I do that for, till 1 or 2 in the morning or whatever it is, and I'm sluggish the next day, I'm not productive the next day, I lose this much money. Or if I go to bed on time and I wake up refreshed, I'm able to be this productive and make this much money. Oh, suddenly by tying to his time on the computer and his income together, he was able to put that phone down a whole lot earlier than he had been. Also, by exercising and eating well, eating intuitively, his energy level went up, his productivity went up doing those things. In fact, he told me that in 7 years of business, that this is the first time that he had not had to worry about his income, had not had to worry about providing for his family because of the health habit changes he was making. You can do the same. And if you need some ideas and tips on that, write in them comments below and let's get some dialogue going on it. Thanks so much for subscribing, and I look forward to talking with you next time. Remember, until then, find your path and fulfill your potential.